Hey there, here's MyDISH account app. So how to install it? So just tap get, and then you can just double click to install it. And yeah, this is the fast way to manage your account for the Dish network. Either on your iPhone or iPad, you can view and pay your bill, manage your appointment programming. You can also create MyDISH account. You can retrieve your username, view current bill breakdown, and then you can see TV programming and yeah, just everything from one app. Dish is a popular network in US. You can just sign in with your TV provider subscription. And then, yeah, you just need to enter your online ID or password here. So yeah, that's basically the process. So you can only sign in here with your TV provider information. And that's the process how it works. Seems it's not possible to actually create an account here. If you forgot your username, you can just restore it here. So yeah.